This year, I'm going to show you why Cebu is more than just a beach destination. Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing Cebu like never before. Let's see what amazing adventures I can find. Many people think that Cebu is all about the beaches, and sure, the beaches are amazing, but there's so much more to this island. I'm talking about trying the local food, like the famous lechon and sinuglaw, and exploring historical sites like Magellan's Cross and the Cebu Heritage Monument. I also want to try other activities like hiking, diving, and even canyoneering. One of the things I love about Cebu is the warm and welcoming people. The locals are known for their hospitality and friendliness, and I'm excited to meet them and learn about their culture. I've heard about the Sinulog Festival, which is a huge celebration of music, dance, and art, and I really want to experience that. So if you've been to Cebu, I would love to hear about your experience. What are some of your favorite spots? What did you love about Cebu? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're curious about more hidden gems in Cebu, make sure to check out my next video.